Okay, so number 21. What are all the values of x which the function f, defined by the following, is increasing? So if I want to see where f is increasing, the first derivative test says all I have to do is take the derivative and see where the intervals are positive. So first derivative test, I want to see where f prime of x's are positive. Okay, so f prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. We set it equal to 0 because we're going to try to find our zeros and my critical numbers, if you will. And at a good habit, I would GCF what I see, which would leave me with the following. The reason why I do this out of good habit is I want to make sure there aren't any x's here that will be potential answers or potential critical points. Since I'm dividing by 3, it's still going to cancel out as 0, so I'm not losing any possible x values or answers. Factoring this out, we know we need numbers that multiply to get negative 3 and add to get a positive 2. Well, these will be x and x to produce that x squared. Remember, this sign will say, if it's negative, that these signs are going to be different. If it was positive, the signs would be the same. And then this sign over here says that the bigger value, if they're different, will get the positive. So I need two values to multiply to get 3. I get 3 and I get 1. This will multiply out, fall out to get my original polynomial that is here. So my zeros are x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 1. So x is equal to negative 3, x is equal to 1. We're going to do some sign test as far as the first derivative goes so that I can see where are the positives occurring so I can give you the intervals. So using this factored form, let's plug in something that is less than negative 3. So negative 4 plugged in here would give me a negative. Negative minus 1 would still give me a negative. This product is positive. Okay? If I chose something between negative 3 and 1, like 0, 0 plus 3 would give me a positive. 0 minus 1 is still a negative. However, this product is a negative. And then finally, if I chose something in this interval here, like 2. 2 plus 3 is still positive. 2 minus 1 is a positive. So this product is now positive. Remember, I'm just trying to see where f prime of x is positive so I can see what intervals they're increasing. Okay, so looking at this, remember we do not include negative 3. It would be like negative infinity to negative 3, non-inclusive, and it will be 1 because we're talking about intervals, remember. Intervals of increasing or decreasing always have just parentheses. And then 1 to infinity, parentheses, parentheses. So looking at our choices, C would be the answer.